If you need to find the home location of your Android device's internal storage, you can do so by querying the environment variable home. Here is a Python code snippet. Let us print the value held by the home environment variable. This points to the location of the home directories that store user data. If we are running this program on a device inside an Android Studio emulator, we can browse the directories under the home location of that device. Click Tools and Device Manager to launch the Device Explorer. You can then browse the contents of the home location. It is important to know the home location of the Android internal storage of your device, as the programs we write must be able to access the user directories underneath and read and write data in files there. In the next video, we show a complete Python program that writes a PNG image file for a statistical plot to a directory under the home location, and a Java program that loads that PNG image file from the same location in the device's internal storage. Give this video a like and share with your friends if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more.